90% of the traders lose money in option trading. This is as per the data presented by SEBI as per their research last year. The problem is they are not discussing the reasons behind that number. So, as per my experience, I have understood that these are the four factors which are resulting in the losses for most of the traders. Hi, my name is Vishal Rehan. I am an algo trader for last 3 years. I know how systemic or rule-based trading can change this for everybody. So let's highlight those four reasons and understand what we can do about it. First is lack of discipline. Many of the traders are not able to commit themselves to one single strategy for a couple of months. They will hopping on to the new strategies each and every day. That will result in lack of commitment to one strategy and will not be able to generate profits for over a period of time. Second is lack of trading knowledge. Many people actually don't know anything about the Greeks. They don't know how the premium of any option strike is calculated, and they will venture into this business. This becomes another problem which needs to be resolved. Poor risk management. Risk management states that we have to get higher profits and lower losses. So the problem occurs when we see profits on our screen, we try to book it as early as possible. But when it's a loss, we actually sit and go for an hope that it will improve result, we lose more. So poor risk management becomes a very challenging problem for everybody. And last is untested trading strategies. Everything has its learning curve, but learning curve comes with a cost. If you are ready to spend years to understand how the market works, that's fine for you. That experience will help. But if you don't have the money and the time to do that, then I guess you need to look out for the strategies which are already having a proven results. So now to counter these problems, I have created a algo trading strategy which can help you in nullifying all these issues. I have hosted this strategy on a platform called Algo Test. On Algo Test, there I have created many strategies. Some of them are free, some of them are premium. Our most premium package is the strategy called Durandar. When you go to RA Algos, you can search my name and then you can check out the strategy. Durandar 1 is used for option selling and Durandar 2 is basically a hedge buying. So when you click on this strategy, you need to save all algos because there are two algos in this strategy which needs to be backtested simultaneously. After saving the strategies, this will come into your portfolios. When you go to portfolios, check out the portfolio and then that will take you to the backtest page. Now, I'll backtest it in front of you. It will take some time. I'm running a backtest for 1 year. This will show the data, how the strategy would have performed over the last year with same conditions. Here is the overall results. The strategy is generating around 8.5 lakhs. Capital required is 9 lakhs as it's a 3 lots which are sold in a one go. Margin money required for one lot is 3 lakhs and this strategy runs on 3 lots. So the requirement is 9 lakhs. This is the primary strategy, the Durandar 1 part of it, which is making money. The Durandar 2 is basically an hedging. So it might make money sometimes or not make money any. We can see the win ratio is around 60% for this strategy. Now, I'll also include the charges and brokerages so that you can understand what will the impact of that cost of trading. Even after charging these, we are still making 7.72 lakhs. Now, every time we will not be getting the results which are favorable to us. So we need to have some slippage inbuilt into a strategy. Most of the option trading strategies are tested at a 0.5%. That's more than enough. But for the sake of it, I'm testing at 1%. And the results are as follows. You can see we have 3 losing months and rest 9 months were profitable. The results were profitable. Around 4.8 lakh generated in profits. Win ratio still around 54%. And for this option selling, as I sold, this is the primary one. So we have a win ratio of 57%. Anybody can log into this algo test and you can subscribe to this strategy. For subscribing the strategy, you need to go to RA Algos. There you check strategies on my name and then you unlock the plans. 1 month strategy is available at 5,999, whereas for quarterly, it is available at 11,999. So when you go for quarterly, you have a discount where you pay only for 2 months and 1 month is free. So with this logic, these strategies are also available at 15 months free trial. So you can use it and then finally decide whether to go around. But as we have discussed, whenever you commit to any strategy, I have already shown one thing that is untested. The strategy is not tested. I have tested this in front of you. Backtest results I shared in front of you. Now, risk management is already taken care of because it's a coded product. Trading knowledge, it's also taken care because strategy will work as per its code and will take a trades. You actually need not to put an effort to learn what is behind the logic. Lack of discipline is the only thing which I demand from you right now. You have to commit yourself to a strategy for at least for a period of 6 months to understand whether how much money it can make for you. So I hope with this, you will be able to understand and overcome your problems in your option trading journey and become a smart investor or a trader. Thanks for listening.